Dear students, in this class we are going to discuss about three topics of leech: external apertures, divisions of the body, and body wall of leech. First, we can see the external apertures of leech. Mouth is located in the middle of anterior sucker. Anus is the small aperture that opens on the mid-dorsal side of 26th segment. The excretory organ, nephridia, open to the exterior by 17 pairs of nephriospores. Nephriospores are present in each segment starting from 6 to 22. Male genital pore is a mid-ventral opening. It is present between second and third annuli of 10th segment. The female genital pore is present mid-ventrally between second and third annuli of 11th segment. The body of leech is divided into 6 regions. The cephalic region, or the region with anterior sucker, is occupying 1st to 5th segment. A temporary clitellum is formed in the segment 9, 10 and 11. It is known as clitellar region. The region between cephalic and clitellar is known as preclitellar region. It is occupying 6, 7 and 8th segment. The region between 12th and 22nd segments is known as middle region. The posterior part of leech, starting from 23rd segment to 26th segment, is known as caudal region. The posterior sucker is formed by the fusion of the last 7 segments, that is from 27th to 33. Next, we are going to see about the body wall of leech. The body wall of leech includes 5 layers. First layer is cuticle. It is the outermost layer. Second layer is epidermis, which is present below the cuticle. The third layer is dermis. It is present below the epidermis, formed of connective tissue. The fourth layer is muscular layer. It is formed of circular and longitudinal muscles. The fifth layer, that is potryoidal tissue, is present beneath the longitudinal muscles and fills the entire coelom around the gut or stomach. Thank you, students. We can meet in the next class with another topic.